So this US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Monday 29th of October. Now let's just have a look when prices may likely go. So previously we had prices pull back, test the 1215, held as resistance, so further acceleration and momentum here to the downside, taking us beyond 1160 down towards that 1140 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. So the immediate bullish buy side momentum take us back above the 1160. We've gone into this consolidation here on the US dollar Japanese yen. If we do see further follow through to the upside, we'll see whether 1215 does act as resistance again. Previous an area which acted as support. If we do break, however, from that 1215, if it acts as resistance, let's do that first. If it acts as resistance, looking for a move down towards 1160, failure to hold 1160, previous lows around 1140. Beyond that, we're looking for a move down towards that 111 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. However, with 1252, in around that 1252, we do have the added confluence of the 400 period average. It does increase likelihood of seeing sales momentum come into the market from that level. But if we can successfully navigate that 1252, looking for a move up towards that 1277, previous scenario of counter resistance before seeing a pullback. Beyond that 1277, looking at moved up towards that 113.04 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the weekly charts. See how prices are developing on the having a look here at this weekly chart to see how prices are developing here on the US dollar Japanese yen. So on this weekly chart of the US dollar Japanese yen, we've got our lows, we've had this acceleration momentum, brief pullback, further acceleration here towards our 1430. We trade slightly through 1430, previous area, well established a level of resistance here, particularly from 2017 on the US dollar Japanese yen. From there, we've seen a pretty sharp, fairly sharp pullback. I wouldn't say pretty sharp, a fairly sharp pullback here on the US dollar Japanese yen. Overall, as you can see, the market is still in trending to the upside, even though there's been a slowdown in the momentum. We're still within a fairly strong trend here to the upside on the US dollar Japanese yen. We'll see if we do find major support and see prices start to head back up towards that 113 and 114 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. And finally, we'll have a look here at the daily chart. So on this daily chart of the US dollar Japanese yen, we can see we have our highs, we have our lower highs being put in here at the moment. We've had price come all the way down towards 1160, brief pullback from there. So again, we'll see if we can hold that 1215. If that is the case, looking for move back down towards that 1160 and beyond that, we're looking at that 111. Below 111 now, we do have an interesting area. We've got a 1073 previous area which acted as support for. We did see that acceleration towards that 1450. Again, in around that 1073, we do have that 400 period moving average, which has been there for a couple of weeks now. We'll see if that does act as a further confluence and see bullish buy side momentum come back into the market if we do see further sell side momentum towards that level. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.